Alright, here's another video on the 1979 F150 Custom. Just got done painting the frame, all the suspension. Here's the motor, just got done painting it. Swapped the old distributor over and everything. But these here, and they're from this here. Just went up like that. It's for emissions, but cut that off. We're thinking about welding these up if we can't find a bolt for it, but that's the plan. Here's the intake manifold. It was black when we got it. Removed all the paint and then repainted it black and sanded these here. But here's the fuel pump we're going to be running. It's a Holley. Part number is 12-427. It's a 32 gallons per hour pump. But a little more when we get that installed, but painted whole frame underneath it. Just cleaning everything up. But hopefully by next week we should have the engine in the truck. But still got a little more work to do. Got all my gaskets in for the motor, so just slowly working on it between the weather and everything. But thanks for watching.